Hey everyone, it's Monday, October 19th. Today, after you are done checking in on campus, we are going to continue our short stories and theme unit. So today we're going to be focusing on plot. So what you need to do is go to commonlit.org and sign up for my class. So you can click over here on this link and it'll bring you here. You can click on create a free account and then it's going to ask you for a class code. If you're in 4th hour, your class code is here. If you're in 5th hour, your class code is here. So type in the code and it should bring you there. And then it will show you your assignment. Your assignment today is to read The Landlady. As you go, it's going to stop and ask you questions before it lets you continue reading. You need to answer all of those questions. Do the best that you can on them. There are also questions at the end that you will also need to answer. Please do as good as you can on those so that I can see what you might need help with when it comes to reading or understanding the story. And then tomorrow we're going to work with this story so that we can talk about plot and how it works with theme. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.